The Ozarks team at Century 21 Leebank Realty invites you to join us in a tour of this super clean, move-in ready, 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Leebank Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And today we are on Blaine Street here in Gassville, Arkansas. And we're going to check out this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's brick and vinyl, has metal roof, and John, are you ready to go?
Let's go. Let's take a look.
John, I really like this covered front porch. You've got some lovely roses that will bloom out later on. You've got several of those.
It's a lovely community too, isn't it?
It is.
Now, Heather, here we are in Gassville. We're not very far from the White River, are we?
Yep, Cotter Road is just right down the road, and that will take you down to Roundhouse Shoals there at the White River.
Right. I guess if you keep going, it'll be Big Springs Park there in Cotter.
That's right, yes,
and,
that's a very popular area, especially during the summer.
There's a boat launch there?
There is.
Just what, minutes?
Minutes away.
Oh,
so
wow.
Lots of great trout fishing. Well, hey, John.
Hey, Heather. Hey, this is so cute.
It is. Check out these lovely floors.
Yeah.
Been very well taken care of. You have a nice, cozy living room area. You've got double windows that look out onto your front yard. And if you just take a look around, the floors carry over into the entryway, the hallway, and the dining room area. And nice sized dining room.
It's really open to the living room too, isn't it?
It is, yes. You're just right here. It's very convenient, and I like that you have sliding glass doors to your open deck.
Right to the deck.
Yeah. You can be grilling and bring your food right in.
Fenced backyard, private.
Yes, we'll go out there and check it out in a little bit, but look how cute this kitchen is.
Wow.
I mean, it's a decent size. You've got a nice gas range, a stove top, microwave, the dishwasher matches, and the refrigerator right behind you.
That's natural gas here too, isn't it?
That's right. You have all city utilities.
I love these cabinets.
Yes, those are very nice cabinets. This is very neat and clean. You've got your laundry room area.
Oh, right there.
Yes,
Yeah.
So like Tracy said in one of our other listings we have, you know, you could be in here cooking and doing laundry at the same time. So you won't have to go room to room.
So Heather, I know this is important to you. What's in behind that door right there?
Well, we have a garage, so very convenient to bring your groceries in.
Nice garage.
Yes, and you've got your exterior door, which I like. And then your water softener and your water heater is behind that door.
Wow.
Well, John, let's go check out the bedrooms.
All right.
All right, and the floors carry on down the hallway. We'll check out guest bedroom right here. This would be a nice little office or guest bedroom or even a craft room. You've got these shelves that they're staying. And this overlooks the front yard. You've got a nice deep
It's a
closet.
good sized closet, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, really, that's almost a walk-in, isn't it?
That's right. I can definitely walk in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of room there.
And very nice bathroom just right across the hall. You've got a tub shower combo.
Nice and clean. Excellent.
And another guest bedroom right around here.
Another good-sized bedroom.
It also overlooks the front yard and a little bit bigger of a closet.
That's a good-sized closet there. It's a nice bedroom.
It is. You've got all neutral colors across the hall. You've got your primary bedroom. It overlooks the side yard. And John, I want you to check out that in there. Isn't that nice?
Beautiful. Yep. That's a great tub shower walk-in.
And it's very clean.
Yeah, looks like it's almost new.
And then, once again, I mean, you could fit probably 2 of me in here, arm lengths away.
Right, that's a big closet.
I'll show you the size of it.
Right. So for a primary bedroom, this is really good size.
Yes, that's right. Well, you ready to go check out the backyard?
Let's do it.
Well, what are you grilling us for lunch?
Well, I think some burgers.
That'd be perfect.
Well,
nice
this is
sunny
a
day.
great deck, isn't it?
It is. And you've got a nice sized backyard. You've got a storage shed. I like the privacy fence. I could see putting up some patio furniture up here. You could have a fire pit right there is where they've been burning. Well, John, what'd you think?
Beautiful home.
It is, and a lovely subdivision here in Gassville, and you're just minutes away from, like you said, the White River and Mountain Home.
Right.
So, if you want to find out more information about this property, you can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful home, or if you'd like to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks Team on social media. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.